Hello students, I am Dr. V.D. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, PG Faculty of Commerce and Management, People's College Nanded. Today I am taking lecture on Agriculture Accounting. This topic is particularly for BCom third year, 5th semester students who are learning from Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded. Today I am taking question with solution on the agriculture accounting. Firstly, I am giving question or explaining the question. This question has asked in the examination March 2017. Question number 4, March 3, 2017. From the following information, prepare crop account and livestock account. For the year ended 31st December 2015. Particular rupees. First item, opening stock, under the heading of opening stock, item livestock, paddy, cattle feed, fertilizers, livestock amount is 61,000, paddy rupees 4,000, cattle feed rupees 2,800, fertilizers rupees 2,200. The next item, purchases. Under the heading of purchases, livestock, fertilizers, seeds, cattle feed, livestock amount is 15,600, fertilizers amount is 2,400, seeds amount is 1,200, cattle feed amount is 6,800. Next, crop expenses. Crop expenses amount is 8,000. Next, livestock expenses. Amount is 10,000. Next, sales. Under the heading of sales, milk, paddy, livestock, milk rupees 30,400, paddy rupees 52,600, livestock rupees 9,000. The next, closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, livestock, paddy, cattle feed, and fertilizers. Livestock amount is 60,000, paddy is 3,000, cattle feed 1,800, fertilizers 1,200. This is the question. Opening stock has 4 items, purchases has 4 items, then crop expenses, livestock expenses, then sales has 3 items, then closing stock has 4 items. Then solution. Crop account and livestock account for the year ended 31st December 2015. Debit side, credit side, particular crop account, livestock account, this account is just like similar as final account of sole trader. Here is only one account combined. Here is crop account and livestock account. I am taking effects just like similar as trading account and profit and loss account combined effects. Then first item, opening stock. Opening stock goes to the debit side of the crop account and livestock account. Starting opening means starting. It indicates opening. Opening stock. Under the opening stock, first item livestock, second paddy, third cattle feed, fourth fertilizer. Livestock amount is 61,000. Livestock related with livestock hence recorded in the livestock column 61,000. Then paddy means our rice. Paddy related with crop, hence livestock account dash. In that crop account 4,000. Cattle feed. Cattle means our livestock. Hence cattle feed also recorded to the livestock account 2,800. Crop account dash. Then fertilizers. Fertilizers always used for purpose of crop. Hence livestock dash. Fertilizers account 2,200. Then next heading, purchases. To purchases. Under the heading of purchases, livestock, fertilizers, seeds, cattle feed, these 4 items under the heading of purchases. Yes, livestock amount is 15,600 recorded to the credit side. Sorry, debit side of the livestock account 15,600. Then fertilizers. Fertilizers related with crop account recorded 2,400 debit side of the crop account. Seeds. Seeds also related with crop account amount 1,200 related with crop account. Cattle feed. Cattle feed related with livestock. Means amount recorded livestock amount 6,800. The next item, crop expenses. Expenses always recorded to the debit side. 2 crop expenses amount is 8,000 in that crop account, livestock account dash. Then next item, livestock expenses. 2 livestock expenses. Expenses are recorded to the debit side. Livestock related with livestock is recorded in the livestock account. Then sales. Sales always recorded in a credit side by sales. Under the heading of sales, 3 item milk, paddy, livestock, milk amount is 30,400. Milk related with livestock, not crop. Hence crop dash. Livestock milk amount is 30,400. Credit side of the livestock account. Paddy. Then paddy related with crop account. Hence livestock dash. Crop account amount is paddy 52,600. Then livestock. Livestock related with livestock amount is 9,000. Then last item, closing stock. Closing stock always recorded to the credit side. Last item by closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, livestock, paddy, cattle feed, fertilizers, livestock amount is 60,000. Credit side of the livestock account paddy related with crop account amount is 3000. In that livestock dash cattle feed related with livestock 1800 according to the credit side of the livestock account. Fertilizers is related with crop account, credit side of the crop account 1200. Then find out which side is more. Make a total and find out the difference between two sides. If credit side is more than debit side, then of course profit. If debit side is more than credit side, it means loss. In that case, credit side is more than debit side. Credit side total of the crop account is 56,800 and livestock account 1,02,000. From the credit side minus debit side, then find out profit. Profit transfer to profit and loss account. Both sides are always same. 56,800, 1,01,200. The difference 39,000 of the crop account and 5,000 of the livestock account. It means this is the credit balance. Okay, I hope you can understand. Opening stock debit side, purchases debit side, expenses always debit side, sales recorded credit side, closing stock recorded to the credit side. Then from credit side balance minus debit side balance, then find out the difference, that is 39,000 crop account, 5,000 livestock account. The balance of indicates profit transfer to the profit and loss account. Then I am taking further question on the same topic. Question number 5. This question has asked in the examination October-November 2017 and October-November 2019. This question has asked in the examination twice. The question is big, hence I am writing only important contents of this question. I am explaining the question. From the following particulars extracted from the book of Mansi Farms, Baramati, prepare livestock account, crop account, and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st December 2016. Question. Particular rupees. First item, stock under the heading of stock on 1st January 2016. Livestock, paddy, cattle feed, fertilizers, seeds. These are the 5 items under the heading of opening stock. Livestock amount rupees 3 lakh, paddy amount rupees 1,20,000, cattle feed amount rupees 20,000, fertilizers amount rupees 10,000, seeds amount rupees 10,000. The next, purchases. Under the heading of purchases, livestock, cattle feed, fertilizers, seeds. Livestock amount rupees 60,000, cattle feed amount rupees 2,16,000, fertilizers amount rupees 32,000, seeds amount rupees 10,000. Next item, repairs and maintenance. Of farm machinery. Amount rupees 44,000. Sales. Under the heading of sales, livestock, paddy, milk, livestock amount rupees 96,000, paddy amount rupees 8,50,000, milk amount rupees 8,14,000, crop expenses. Next item, crop expenses. Amount rupees 1,08,000. Livestock expenses. Amount rupees 76,000. Next, general expenses. 78,000. Additional information. Number 1, closing stock livestock, amount rupees 2 lakh. Paddy, amount rupees 1 lakh. Cattle field, amount rupees 12,000. Fertilizers, amount rupees 8,000. Number second adjustment. Mansi has consumed the following items output of her farm output: milk rupees 60,000, paddy rupees 10,000. Adjustment number third, provide 30,000 depreciation on farm machinery. I think question is over. Then solution of this question. In that question, the items are given: opening stock, purchases, repairs and maintenance of farm machinery, sales, crop expenses, livestock expenses, general expenses. Then adjustment number 1, 2, 3. Adjustment 1, closing stock. Adjustment number 2, proprietor has used personal use consumption. And number 3, depreciation. Solution. In the books of Mansi, Farms, livestock account, and crop account for the period 31st December 2016, and profit and loss account for the period 31st December 2016. Did you say? Great. They will say particular livestock crop account, livestock account, particular livestock account, crop account, profit and loss account, debit side, particular rupees, credit side, particular rupees. Then record as per given question. First item, stock on 1st January 2016. 1st January 2016 indicates, it means it is the opening stock. Opening stock should be recorded to the debit side of the start date. 2. Opening stock. We can write opening stock or stock on 1st January 2016. It is the same, meaning under the heading of opening stock, livestock, paddy, cattle feed, fertilizers, livestock amount is 30,000. Livestock related with livestock account is 3 lakh. Crop account dash. Paddy related with crop account 1,20,000. Cattle feed related with livestock account 20,000. Crop account dash. Fertilizers amount rupees 10,000. It is related with crop account. Another one item has also given seeds. Seeds also related with crop, amount rupees 10,000. Then next, purchases. 2 purchases also recorded to the debit side of the livestock account and crop account. Under the heading of purchases, livestock, cattle feed, fertilizers, seeds. Livestock amount is 60,000 recorded to the debit side of livestock account. Cattle feed amount is 2,16,000 recorded to the debit side of the livestock account because of cattle is related with livestock. Crop account dash. Fertilizers are related with crop account. Seeds also recorded to the crop account. 32,000 fertilizers, seeds 10,000. The next item, repairs and maintenance of farm machinery. Repairs and maintenance items are recorded into the profit and loss account. 2. Repairs and maintenance of farm machinery. Amount is 44,000. The next item, sales. Sales recorded to the credit side of the livestock and crop account by sales. Under the heading of sales, livestock, dairy, milk. Dairy amount is 96,000 related with crop account. Sorry, yes, dairy 96,000. But life, sorry, it is correct. livestock account. Then paddy related with 8,50,000. Paddy related with crop account, and livestock account related with livestock section. Amount is 96,000. Then milk is related with livestock. Amount is 8,14,000. Livestock 96,000 into the livestock account. Paddy related with crop account, hence 8,50,000 recorded to the credit side of the crop account. Milk related with livestock account, hence it is recorded into the livestock account credit side. Then next item, crop expenses. 2 crop expenses. Expenses are recorded to the debit side. Its name crop indicates crop account. Amount is 1,08,000. Then next, livestock expenses. 2 livestock expenses. Amount is 76,000. Debit side of the livestock account, credit crop account dash. Then general expenses. For general expenses, we have created profit and loss account. 2 general expenses. General expenses amount is 78,000. This trial balance has over. The next item of adjustment. Next adjustment are among adjustment items. First adjustment, closing stock. Closing stock has 4 items given: livestock, paddy, cattle feed, and fertilizers. Closing stock recorded to the livestock and crop account credit side. By closing stock, under the heading of closing stock, livestock, paddy, cattle feed, fertilizers, livestock amount is 2 lakh, crop account dash, paddy 1 lakh, cattle feed 12,000, credit side of the livestock account. Fertilizers related with crop account, amount is 8,000. The next second adjustment, Mansi has consumed the following items of her farm output: milk and paddy. If owner has consumed own items, it means drawing. By drawing account, milk, here I am creating some space for this item. I was forget at the time of recording. Drawing account, under the heading of drawing, milk, Milk related with livestock 60,000. Paddy related with crop account 10,000. Under the heading of drawing, milk goes to the livestock account, paddy has gone to the crop account, rupees 10,000. The next adjustment, depreciation on farm machinery of rupees 30,000. Depreciation always recorded to the profit and loss account. 2. Depreciation on farm machinery. Rupees 30,000. I think items are over. Then close first livestock account and crop account. Here is total of crop account credit side 9,68,000 and livestock account total of credit side is 8,82,000. Credit side is more than debit side, it means there is profit. 2. Profit and loss account, profit transfer. This is gross profit. From 9,68,000 debit side minus the balance is 6,78,000 and livestock account credit balance is 2,10,000. Then total are same 8,82,000, 9,68,000. This is the gross profit. Gross profit transfer to the credit side of profit and loss account. But livestock account, gross profit, but crop account, gross profit brought down, gross profit brought down because of balance transfer from the livestock account to and crop account to profit and loss account. Livestock account profit is 2,10,000 and crop account gross profit is 6,78,000. Then make a total of profit and loss account. Profit and loss account credit side is more amount to this 8,88,000. From 8,88,000 minus debit side, then net profit. Here we go. The difference is from the both side 7,36,000 and from credit side minus debit side. The balance is 7,36,000. Both sides should be now equal. I hope you can understand betterly these questions. Thank you. I think this is the sufficient for today.